Have you ever looked at your curly, wavy, or unruly hair and wished it was straight without spending hours using a straightener or going to a salon? Imagine you could straighten your hair in just 30 minutes with just 3 everyday items that are easily found in your kitchen. You don't need heat, harsh chemicals, or expensive products, just a simple, natural method you can do at home, even if you're short on time. If you've ever been frustrated by dry, unruly hair before an important event, or if you're tired of the damage from straightening tools and chemical treatments, you're not alone. Today, I'm going to show you a simple routine that anyone can try to get straighter hair, while also keeping it shiny, strong, and healthy. This method is perfect if you need a quick fix before a meeting or a date, or just want to try something new in your self-care routine. And what's the best part? You don't need any special skills or a big budget, you just need 3 things you probably already have: milk, honey, and coconut oil. Yes, milk, honey, and coconut oil. They're not just for breakfast or recipes, they can transform your hair too. So let's get started on how you can get straight hair at home in half an hour, without heat or a salon visit. First, let's understand why so many people are looking for alternatives to heat and chemical straighteners. Maybe you've noticed your hair becoming dry, weak, or breaking after using straighteners or chemical products, or perhaps regular salon visits don't fit your schedule or budget. You might just prefer trying natural beauty remedies and want to see what's possible with what you already have. Whatever your reason, you're in the right place. Natural techniques are often gentler, more affordable, and quicker than you might think. It's also fun to see what works best for your hair. Now, before we get to the recipe, let's quickly look at how each ingredient helps your hair. Milk contains proteins and vitamins that smooth the hair cuticle, making your hair appear straighter and shinier. Honey acts as a natural moisturizer, attracting moisture to keep your hair soft and manageable. Coconut oil is known for deep conditioning. It reduces frizz and boosts shine. Using these ingredients together can loosen your hair's natural waves or curls, making them appear straighter without any heat. So what you'll need is half a cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of honey, and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. That's it. If your hair is thick or long, you can double the quantities. And just one thing to keep in mind: if you're allergic to any of the ingredients, you should skip this method or test a small amount first. Now, let's go through the steps one by one. First, pour the milk into a bowl. Add the honey and coconut oil. Mix everything until it's well combined and smooth. If your coconut oil is solid, warm it up a bit so it mixes well. You want the mixture to be loose and easy to apply. Before applying, make sure your hair is completely dry and tangle-free. Brush out any tangles so the treatment can cover every strand. Divide your hair into 2 to 4 sections to make it easier to manage. Using your hands or a clean brush, apply the mask from roots to ends. Make sure every section is covered, especially the ends, as they tend to be drier. Once you're done, gently comb your hair using a wide tooth comb to spread the mask evenly. This also helps to start the straightening process. Here's a tip: when your hair is coated, gently pull it straight with your fingers as you comb. This helps to loosen your natural curl pattern. After combing, twist your hair into a loose bun or wrap it with a shower cap. This prevents the mixture from dripping and helps the ingredients soak in fully. Set a timer for 30 minutes. This is your chance to relax, read a book, or do something you enjoy. If you're short on time, 20 minutes is fine, but 30 minutes will give you better results. Once the time is up, rinse your hair thoroughly with lukewarm water to remove the mask, especially the honey, so your hair doesn't feel sticky. Use a gentle shampoo if you wish, but avoid harsh cleansers that strip your hair's natural oils. You can also use your usual conditioner if you like. Once your hair is clean, gently dry it with a towel. Just pat, don't rub to avoid frizz. Here's another tip: when your hair is slightly damp, comb it straight and let it air dry naturally. The combination of water and the mask will help your hair stay straighter as it dries. You can use hair clips to hold your hair in place if you wish. Avoid tying or braiding your hair while it's drying, as this can create kinks or waves. Once your hair is completely dry, you'll notice it's much smoother and shinier, and more manageable. You might not get a pin-straight finish like with a straightener, but you'll definitely see a significant improvement in how sleek your hair looks. If your hair is naturally wavy or slightly curly, you'll see the most change. For those with very curly hair, you might need to repeat this routine a few times a week to see the best results. So why does this method work? The proteins in milk fill in the gaps in your hair's outer layer, making it feel smoother and reducing frizz. Honey locks in moisture, which is crucial for shiny, straight hair. Coconut oil coats each strand, helping to control puffiness and flyaways. Together, these 3 gently soften your hair's natural texture. You might be wondering how often you should use this treatment. Well, it's safe to use it once or twice a week. Over time, you'll notice your hair becoming softer, more manageable, and overall healthier, and you'll also avoid the damage from constant heat or chemicals. Let me tell you about a friend who used to straighten her hair every day. Her hair was dry and had split ends, and she spent a lot of time and money trying to fix it. She tried this kitchen mask, and honestly, she felt her hair was softer and smoother after the very first try. After a month of regular use, she barely needed her straightener. Her hair was so much healthier and her morning routine became a breeze. Now let's answer some common questions. Will this work for all hair types? It's most effective for wavy, curly, or slightly frizzy hair. Those with very curly or coily hair might not get completely straight results, but you'll definitely get smoother, softer hair. Is it safe for colored or treated hair? Yes, these ingredients are gentle and can even help repair some damage. How long will the effect last? Your hair will stay smoother for a few days, depending on your hair type and how often you wash it. Can I add more ingredients? You can add a little aloe vera gel for extra moisture or a few drops of essential oil for fragrance, but honestly, the basic recipe works great on its own. If you try this, let me know in the comments how it worked for you. Share any other DIY hair tips you love too. If you found this video helpful, please like it and share it with friends who might need an easy, natural hair solution. For more easy tips and home remedies, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos. Sometimes the best answers for your hair can be found right in your own kitchen. Try this natural method and enjoy smoother, straighter hair. No heat, no salon, just 3 basic ingredients.